Hi, my name is Anton Bramchuk, and this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. The project is called ELIZA 2.0, a modern take on the original ELIZA chatbot, first created back in the 1960s at MIT. That version mimicked a psychotherapist using simple patterns and pronoun reflection. I was really inspired by the idea, so I decided to build my own version in Python. When you start the program, it greets the user with a custom banner made using the Figlet library. Then ELIZA asks for your name. The program uses regular expressions to extract it even from full sentences like "I am Alex" or "Call me Alex." Once it knows who you are, ELIZA starts the conversation. Each user input is matched against a set of patterns stored in a JSON file. If there is a match, ELIZA picks a fitting response from the template list and reflects parts of the message back using the pronoun swapping. This makes it feel more natural and dynamic. In the background, the program keeps track of a mood score depending on the emotional words like happy, sad, anxious, and so on. The entire chat is also saved to a log file named with the username and a timestamp, so every session is preserved. When you say goodbye, ELIZA ends the session and prints out your mood score along with a little emoji. All the code for ELIZA 2.0 lives in a single file, project.py. I've organized it around the main function, a few helper functions, and a class called Chatbot that handles pretty much everything: greeting the user, generating responses, tracking mood, and logging the conversation. I've also written a few helper functions like reflect pronouns and get username, and I have tested them using PyTest. All of ELIZA's responses are stored in a separate rules.json file, where each rule has a regex pattern and a list of templates to choose from. Right now I've added 38 rules to help make the chatbot feel more natural and flexible. There is also a requirements.txt file listing the few libraries I've used, like PyFiglet and Daytime. Working on ELIZA 2.0 was honestly a lot of fun. I learned so much, from regular expressions and file handling to writing object-oriented code and running proper tests. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to CS50 for the journey.